Okay, here I am in Las Vegas at the Activities Center, and they have bracelet making at 10:30 this morning. So I'm supposed to go down here to make a bracelet. Okay, you have to use your key card. Oh, I think you pull out. Yeah, you pull out to come in. So here's the Activities Center. They've got foosball. They've got a thing of games over here. And then they've got tables where you can sit, and a pool table, and oh, here's the receptionist.
Can I help you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here for the bracelet making.
Do you have an appointment?
Oh, was I supposed to sign up with the concierge?
Absolutely. We can't just let anybody in here like the people standing behind you at the door, for real.
Are they here to make bracelets? They just left.
Okay.
So anyway, well, I understand that at 10:30 a.m. is bracelet making.
That's correct. You make your own.
Make your own, and can I make more than one?
Yes, yes you can, and they can be worn on either wrist.
And it costs $2
per bracelet. Yes.
It's not all you can make for $2.
Security.
It isn't all you can make for $2 then.
No, it's $2 per bracelet.
Why are these men taking me away?
I'm sorry,
No, I know. I wanted to make a bracelet.